Hello and welcome. I am Gopal Mishra, the founder of theconstructor.org, and in this video I am going to tell you about how to build your momentum for your success in 2021. Okay, so have you heard this saying that the rich people gets richer while the poor gets more poorer? Why this happens? Do you know? Do you have any idea? And what happens to the middle class people? Where do they go? The rich people gets richer because they have the momentum, and momentum is nothing but the preparedness, and preparedness comes from the knowledge. So since the rich people have the momentum, they are able to identify any opportunity that is presented in front of them, and since they can identify the opportunity, they are able to take decisions quickly, and they are able to grab those opportunities, and they become richer and richer day by day. But in case of poor people, they have no momentum, and because of that, even if any opportunity comes in front of them, they are not able to identify them, and they remain poor for their lifetime. But what about middle class? The middle class people actually live in fear. They have the fear of loss of jobs, loss of money, loss of business. They spend their lifetime worrying about loss of these things. They have no choice other than working on the directions of rich people. They make their decisions based on the market, based on the outside world, whatever is happening outside of them. And these outside world are generally controlled by rich people. The market is generally controlled by rich people. So middle class people, they do not have their own decisions. Their decisions are controlled by the rich people, right? So you know exactly what is momentum now. So what do you need now for your success? So I hope you have guessed it correctly. Now you need the momentum. If you want to be successful, if you want to be rich, if you want to be wealthy, you need the momentum. And for that momentum, you need the knowledge, right? But are you still thinking that how can you get the momentum? Let me tell you. Have you heard the name Napoleon Hill? He is one of the greatest authors that the world has ever known. And he has done a remarkable work in the field of how to become rich. Okay. And what he had done is he had studied more than 500 wealthiest people of his time. And he had two discoveries from his research. And he found that all of the wealthiest people that he researched upon had 16 common characteristics in them. So all the wealthiest people had 16 common characteristics. That was his first discovery. So you may be thinking, if I had those 16 characteristics, I can also become rich, right? But the second discovery is even more phenomenal, and that is that those 16 characteristics that these wealthiest people had, they did not have it from their birth. They actually learned those 16 characteristics and then developed those characteristics in them. And it is that way that they become rich and wealthiest people and the successful people in their times. So the good news here is that you can also develop and learn these characteristics. And when you learn these characteristics, when you develop these characteristics, you can also become wealthy. You can also become rich. But what you need for learning these things? From where will you get the knowledge?